Okay folks, I thought just before going back on the range with the Hatsan Gladius rifle, I'd check out, I've already checked out the heavy pellets, so I thought I'd check out a medium sized pellet, which is the JSB Exact Jumbo at 15.89 grains, and a lighter pellet which is the H&N Field Target Trophy, and these weigh 14.66 grains. You'll probably find that the foot poundage on, especially on the field targets, will be a lot less than what they were on the JSB heavies at 18.13 and the Bisley Magnums at 21 grains. Only because the extra weight makes it more efficient and more powerful. But we'll see. This is a test now just to see what the power difference is between a heavy, a medium and a light pellet. So I'll take the test with these two, we'll see what results we get, and we'll take it from there. Now another thing to show you today is the backstop that I'm using. I built it just for this indoor use, and the way I've been doing it, it will actually start a 7.62 rifle. The steel plate at the back is 3 inches thick. I've got a little thing there, shelf there with pellets drop onto to be removed at the end. I have sloped it, but as well as using that, I'll be using some modelling clay. So it will go through the modelling clay. If it goes all the way through, it'll hit the back plate and become useless anyway. I just made this up off of some of the spare decking I had. So that is my pellet trap that I'm going to be using from now on indoors. I'll be using my Cobalt Ballistic Precision Chronograph. Now a few weeks ago it got dropped and one of the diffusers broke. So the way I'm doing it today, I've got these powerful lights. I'm shining one up at the ceiling, which is up there, and the actual chronograph should pick it up from that. So it's a white background. So we'll get on with the test. Okay then, so the first pellets being tested are the JSB Exact Jumbos at 15.89 grains. I'm firing 20 shots. Okay, so that's the first 10. The regulator is quite efficient with these. I believe 581 is 12 foot-pounds, so we're probably around 11 foot-pounds as we are, which is good. And the last one. Okay, so now we'll move on to the H&N Field Target Trophies. Okay, so as before, just turn the chronograph back on. As before, we'll be firing 20 shots. And we'll see what these are doing. These weigh 14.66 grains. Quite an accurate pellet through the rifle, actually. Could have been the last one. No. Yeah, that was the last one. So the next 10. Could have been the last one there. Yeah. Okay then, so I'll do a chart of the results and I'll compare them to the heavier pellets. And this is what I've been saying before, if you've got a light pellet that you're used to using and you're using it, it's accurate. But you push it up near the 12 foot-pound limit if the police did put a heavier pellet through it, because you don't know what they're going to use, but if they did, it's going to be over. So it's always best to test it with the heaviest pellets in first, and then take it from there. So then there's not much of a chance of it going over the limit. So that's just my recommendation anyway. I mean, you can do what you like, but you've got to think about that all the time. So thanks for watching, and the next time you'll see this now is actually on the range. We'll be testing the 4 pellets in the power test, because fitting the regulators can change your best pellet. As I say, the regulator in this one is an old Ultros one that had been modified. I do intend fitting a Huma regulator. I could even fine tune this even more, but as it stands at the moment, I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'll take it from there. And finally, it did its job. You can see the pellet splash on the back of the plate just there, but most of them fell into the catcher there, and it's just blown all the way through that. That's a good 3 inches thick. There's a bunch of lead there as well that I'd shot previously, but that was flat up against the plate at that time. But there we go. A few of them came out of the box, but they'd spent all the power by then. So the pellet catcher is doing its job.